Assalamu alaikum. I am Tariq Bhatti from class BACS 2K17, Sindh University campus Larkana. I am here for present my presentation about Oracle Database SQL. Chorus outline: History and Oracle Database. Data definition language, data manipulation language, logical operator and are not. What is data integrity? Introduction to server side programming. History. In the 1970s, Dr. Ted Code, a computer scientist, invented the relation model for the database management. The relational model deals with many issues cases by the flat file model. According to this model, data is organized in the entities and attributes interested of the combination everything in a single structure. Before the database system was invented, the flat file structure was commonly used to store data. Flat file database are database data contained in the single cable or into of the text file. Oracle database. Oracle database DB is the relational database management system. RDB MS for the Oracle Corporation. Data is stored locally in the form of the tables, specific and physical in the form of the data file. Why Oracle database is perfected? Database provide more flexibility where that flat file provide the less fidelity. Database is the more secure. Our flat files database support DML and DTL where flat files cannot support these. Data definition language. Data definition language is the short name of data definition language which deals with database schemes and descriptions of how the data should reside in the database. Features of Oracle. An Oracle database offers the following features to meet the requirements of the powerful data management. Probability, backup and recovery, high the performance, multiple database support. Create database and its objects like database table. Alert change the structure of the current database, drop the objects to the form database. Terminate, move all the records from the table and remain an object. You need to use the Oracle SQL programming code for create a table and explain to the create table in the showing below. Create table employee ID, employee name, employee cost, employee address, employee city. Add the column to add column in the table. Use the following syntax: alterate table name, add column name, data type. Drop column to delete a column in the table. Use the following syntax: alterate table name, drop column name, data type. Rename column. We change the name of column with the below syntax: alterate table name, rename column old name to new name. Truncate. Remove all rows from the table, but the table structure can Its columns contains Trunnitate to trunnitate a table from the following syntax. Trunnitate name, table name, example, trunnitate table motorbike, table, my table. Rename. The rename command is the used change to the name of the existing table database object like table column to a new name. Rename the command has following basic syntax. Rename table, turn the table to new table name. Example, rename student to STU. Data manipulation language. A data manipulation language DML is a computer programming language used for the adding, instruction, deleting, and modifying, updating data in the database. A popular data multiplication language is the data structure query language is SQL, which is used to retrieve and manufacture data in the relational database. Manipulation language select the retrieve data from the database, insert the data into table, update exiting data within table, delete all records from the data table. Select select from table name example select from student syntax select customer name city from table name example select student name age from student syntax insert the table name column 1 column 2 column 3 value bracket value 1 value 2 value 3 bracket over insert example insert into my table std id std name self name value 1 me abdul update update the update query is the used to modify the existing record in the table. The basic syntax of the update query with where decades is a following syntax. Update table name set column name is equal value where id is equal 01. Example update my table set std name Tariq where id is equal 01. The, the delete query is used to delete the exiting record from the table. The syntax for the Oracle delete statement the delete from table name conditional example delete from customer where customer name imi syntax delete from table the name the example the delete from the customer local operator and are and not their operator computer two conditions at the time to determine where a row can be selected for the output. When the relative data using the select statement you can use local operator operators in the where column which allows you column more than one condition or logical operation or for the rows select the least one of the conditions must be true if you want to select row that scientifically is at least one of the given condition you can use the local operator or column 1 column 2 column table name where not condition example select first name last name subject from student subject math or subject science and local operator. And for a row and select the all specific conditions must be true. Syntax select table name condition and condition 2 select student name from student table where age 10 and age 15. Multiple and operator example where the table name condition 1 and condition 2 and condition n. The operating is the used in condition only who rows the features from the database which is not meet the given condition. Column name 1, column name 2 from the name of from not condition. Example select from customer where not country Germany. You can also combine and are not operate. Example select from customer where country Pakistan and city Lahore or city Karachi. Example select from customer where not country India and not country USA. What is data integrity? Data integrity is the overall actually completeness and consistency of the data. Integrity also refers to the safety of the data in the regards to regulatory complaints such as GDPR complaints and security. It is maintained by a collection of process rules and standards implied during the decision phase when the integrity of the data is secure to the information stored in the data will be remain complete, executable, the readable no matter how long it's stored on the often accessed data. Integrity also requires that the data safe from outside forces. Type of the data integrity. There are two types of data integrity, physics integrity and local. Both are the collection of processes. The method that reports the data integrity in the both hierarchical and relational database. Physics integrity is the protection of data, wholeness and accessory as the store of received when the nature, dictators skill power goes out or hackers disrupt database functions. Physical integrity is the compromised human error storage, edition and lost of their issue can also make it possible for the data processing manager system, programs, application programmers and internal editors to obtain access data. Type of data entry. Local integrity keeps data entered in the used different ways in the local relational database. Local integral protects data from humans and hackers will be much different way than physical integral does. There are four types of logical integrity. Integrity lies on the relation of primary keys or unique value. That entity piece of the data of the isn't list of the more one of the field in the table is null. It is a feature of international system which store data as the table date linked and used in variety of the ways. Introduction to server-side program. They are to carried out of the productal language program. Most statement execution depends on the provision or subsistence statements and the control structure such as the loops or conditional branchless data are not able in the SQL for the elections of the difference between productal and non-productal language. Suppose that following SQL statement queries the employees table, select the employees ID department ID is not set from the employee. The requirement requires data does not apply logic and data. However, suppose You want the application to determine whatever each employee in the data set returns as a rise based on the salary and department performance. A necessary condition of rise that the employee did not receive more three raise in the last 5 years. If rise called, the more the applications adjust the salary email and the manager. Otherwise, the application must be update a report. Introduction to server-side program. Their problem is how productal database application requires a conditional logic and program flow control can use SQL, the basic development approaches and follows. Your client-side program to embed SQL statement, the application written in the productal language such as C++ or Java. Java translation before the completion alternately you can imply the performance steps and use the all APL SQL Java database community JBDC is the Oracle call interface to enable the application with the database where the server side program to develop data logic data slice the data and application can executely stored subprograms, products and functions written in PLSQL product, PLSQL and Java. You can also create a target which are named program unit data are stored in the database and invoked in response to sacrifice events. Introduction to server side programs. The chapter explains the second approach. The principle behind of service side programming is the data foundability into the database can be applied. Whatever the database is not to application determines as the next way to perform the task on the given operation system. All the subprograms increase scalability by the centralizing application processing to the service eligibility client to the retired code because subprogram calls are the quick and different signal call can computer native store the program requiring network staff. You can use the following language to store the data logic and Oracle database. PLSQL is the Oracle database product executions in the SQL PQL intelligence with the database supporting all the Oracle statement functions and the type of application within APS can evoke the SPLQL subprograms, senior SQL blocks and the database for the execution data. Oracle Database also provides the support developing, storing, developing Java applications. Java stored programs run the database are the independent of the programs that runs in the middle tier Java SQL program interface with the SQL using similar execution model to PL and SQL. Thanks for watching.